As our user base grows and larger organizations become Parago customers, the need for multi-user functionality will become more and more a priority. The multi-user feature not only allows the super user to create, amend and delete user accounts, but also to then decide what a user account can see and do, therefore providing true controlled access. The multi-user control panel can be found on your homepage, and you will be taken to the multi-user's logon creation page. You may find that your username is highlighted with a yellow box. This is to show that you are the account's super user, the primary contact, and you have control of the multi-user setup control panel. Those users that are not super users will not have the Manage Users option on their homepage when they log in. To create a new user, you must first fill in the required fields. Then you must set the appropriate permissions. You can set the permissions box against each area of Parago to unticked, ticked or crossed. An unticked box means that it inherits the state of its parent area. A ticked box gives the user permission to access that section of Parago. A crossed box will grey out that option and disallow the user from using it. By clicking on Create, a new user logon can be generated, and their username will appear in the current users list, and an email will be sent to the specified email address. Beside the new user you have just created, you will see Edit, Invite and Delete buttons. These allow you to change the contact information of that user by clicking the Edit button, resend the user registration email if misplaced using the Invite button, and to revoke user access by deleting the logon information. Once a user has been deleted, the username will be greyed out and will no longer be able to access Parago. This user can be reactivated by clicking on the Reinstate button that appears next to their account details. Once the user is logged in for the first time, the Invite button will be replaced by a Reset button, which will allow you to reset a misplaced password. Once reset, the user will receive an email informing them of the action and provide a link to an area when they can set a new password for themselves. On the multi-user homepage, you will also see a quota box. This box enables you to keep track of the number of logons available to you and the number of logins in use. You will also see a key to inform you of the different statuses of user accounts, and a list of buttons that appear beside the user accounts in the current list and their purposes.